Are you planning to file an NIW petition in 2025? With USCIS introducing key changes to the process, it's crucial to understand the latest updates and how they impact your chances of approval. Stay ahead with expert insights on navigating the new NIW requirements. Welcome to Direct U.S. Immigration's channel. My name is Miatrai Brown, and I'm a U.S. immigration attorney with almost a decade's worth of experience based in the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. I am also the principal attorney at Direct U.S. Immigration, where we assist clients in all 50 states and around the world. To get direct access to the latest immigration information that could be vital to your case, make sure to click the like and subscribe button to stay connected. So the National Interest Waiver, also known as the NIW, continues to be a vital pathway for individuals seeking permanent residency in the United States. This program allows for highly skilled professionals and individuals with exceptional abilities to self-petition for a green card without requiring a specific job offer or an employer sponsor. The recent updates to the NIW petition in 2025 introduced significant changes aimed at streamlining the process and expanding eligibility criteria, making it more accessible to global talent. Here, we will provide an overview of the NIW, explain the new updates, and guide you through the eligibility and application process. A National Interest Waiver permits applicants to bypass the typical labor certification process required for most employment-based green cards. This waiver is granted when the applicant's work is deemed to be in the interest of the United States. With the fast-paced global competition for talent, the NIW has become an increasingly utilized mechanism for attracting international professionals and experts to contribute to areas of national significance. Now let's talk about the key updates to the NIW petition in 2025. So several changes have been introduced to the NIW petition this year, reflecting the U.S. government's focus on critical industries and strategic priorities. The main updates include expanded priority areas. So the list of qualifying fields now highlights emerging industries such as artificial intelligence, renewable energy, biotechnology, and quantum computing. This expansion encourages applications from professionals in sectors critical to advancing innovation and security in the U.S. Revised evidentiary standards. So the updated guidance provides clearer benchmarks for demonstrating how an applicant's work directly benefits U.S. national interests, reducing ambiguity in the evaluation process. These updates aim to make the NIW more appealing to a diverse pool of candidates while fortifying the U.S. labor market and economy. To qualify for an NIW petition, you must satisfy the following criteria as set forth by USCIS. First is possessing exceptional abilities or an advanced degree. So applicants must provide evidence of expertise or accomplishments in their field that set them apart educationally. Second is demonstrating national interest. Your proposed endeavor must have substantial merit and national importance. Examples include conducting groundbreaking research, addressing public health challenges, or contributing to infrastructure development. Third is waiving the labor certification process. It must be demonstrated that waiving the job requirement is in line with the national interest. The recent updates have clarified what constitutes substantial merit and national importance, allowing applicants to better position their case. Now here's a step-by-step guide to filing your NIW petition in 2025. First is prepare supporting evidence. So compile documentation that proves your qualifications, accomplishments, and the national impact of your work. File Form I-140, which is that immigrant petition for alien worker, and Form ETA 9089. Now these forms must be completed and submitted to USCIS along with supporting evidence. Third is you have a premium processing option. So you can opt for premium processing to expedite the review of your petition. Fourth is adjustment of status or consular processing. So once approved, you can either adjust status if already in the U.S. or proceed with consular processing to finalize your permanent residency once your priority date becomes current. So applicants are encouraged to consult with an experienced immigration attorney to ensure their petition is submitted correctly and optimally. Now, the NIW is an attractive immigration pathway because it allows individuals to self-petition, providing greater flexibility and independence. It also benefits U.S. employers by leveraging global talent without the need for labor certification. With the recent updates, the process is more transparent and accommodating, positioning the U.S. as a desired location for high-level professionals. Now, here are some tips for a successful NIW petition. First and foremost is evidence. So make sure you have supporting evidence for the assertions you make in the case. Second is craft a strong personal statement. So clearly articulate your proposed endeavor and its alignment with U.S. national interests. Next, you want to leverage expert testimonials. So letters of recommendation from leaders in your field can strengthen your case. And fourth is you want to stay updated. So regularly review USCIS guidelines to ensure your application adheres to the latest standards. So the updates to the NIW petition in 2025 underscores the U.S. government's commitment to attracting and retaining talent in areas crucial for national growth and security. By expanding eligibility and streamlining the process, these changes provide an unprecedented opportunity for skilled professionals and experts worldwide. If you believe your work aligns with the U.S. interests and priorities, pursuing an NIW petition could be your pathway not only to permanent residency, but also to making a meaningful impact in the United States. For more detailed information on recent policy updates, you can visit the official USCIS announcement. Thank you for tuning in today. For more resources, check out the description below. You'll find questionnaires to help determine the most appropriate visa for your needs, as well as a curated list of some of my travel favorites. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more content, comment with topics you'd like me to cover, and share this video widely.